Okay. First question, 2x square minus 11x plus 12. 2x square, it is a quadratic equation, minus 11x plus 12 means 8x minus 3x plus 12 equal to 0. In that the x is equal to 8 by 2, it is 4, 3 by 2, it is 1.5. These are the x values. Next equation is 3y square minus 8 in 3 is 54 means 27y minus 2y plus 18 equal to 0. In that y equal to 27 by 3, it is 9, minus 2 by 3 plus 2 by 3, it is 0.6. The comparison of x and y, in that x is 4, y is 9 means x less, and in that x is 1.5, y is 9 means x less, and in that x is 4, y is 0.6 means x greater. For these two it is x lesser, for these two it is x greater, means it is can't be determined. There is no relation can be established between x and y. That is, this is the answer for this question. Next question. This x square minus 30x minus 3x plus 90 equal to 0, when x is equal to 30 comma 3, and 4y square, that is 75 into 4 is 300, means minus 25y minus 12y plus 75 equal to 0. In that y equal to 12 by 3, 12 by 4, that is 3, 25 by 4, that is 6 point, 4 6 are 24, 4 2 is 8, 6.25, like that. Comparison of these two, from these two comparison x is greater, from these two comparison y is greater, means there is no relation between x and y, that is can't be determined, the relation established between x and y. So next question, in that next question it is 3x square minus 12x plus 5x minus 20 equal to 0. 12 5s are 60, 3 20s are 60. Therefore, x is equal to 12 by 3, it is 4. X is equal to 5 by 3 minus 1.6. Same way, y square minus 25y plus 114. 25 means how much it is, split into two values, 25y, 19y minus 6y plus 114 equal to 0. Now y equal to 19 comma 6. In that the comparison of these, x is lesser, comparison of these, x is lesser, comparison of these, x is lesser, for this is also x is lesser, so that the answer is x less than y. This is the answer for this question. Next question. Next question, x square minus 7x minus 3x plus 21 equal to 0. X is equal to 7 comma 3. Y square equal to 1860 by 465 it is. How many times it is? 4 times. Now y equal to plus 2 comma minus 2. Comparison of x and y. Now x is greater, for this also x is greater, for this also x is greater, for this is also x is greater. X greater than y is answer for this question. X greater than y is the answer for this question. Next one, x square minus 11x minus 5x plus 55 equal to 0. x is equal to 11 comma 5, y square minus 25 means y square minus 11y minus 14y plus 154 equal to 0, y equal to 11 comma 14. For this comparison x is equal to y, for this comparison x lesser, for this comparison x lesser, for this comparison also x lesser, that is x less than or equal to y, x less than or equal to y for this question. Next question. Read the following pie chart carefully and answer the given questions. Pie chart I shows the percentages distribution of total number of vehicles, cars, bikes sold in pie chart 1, and in pie chart 2 percentage of distribution of total number of cars sold by 4 different companies. First, these percentages converted into values like that. In that 6,000 total vehicles, 18.75 are the total vehicles of from city A, means 18.75 percentage is how much in that 6,000 means 11, it is 11, 25, and next one is in the same way the percentage of this one is 2280, percentage of this one is 1275, next one is percentage of this one is 1320. In these total cars and bikes are there, so the remaining after subtraction of cars, the remaining are bikes. First find the cars according to the note. The ratio of the total number of vehicles to the total number of cars sold by A is 5:4. Vehicles to the cars is in the ratio of 5:4. Therefore, according to this 5:4 ratio, it is 900 cars. 20% is 900 means 35% means 1575, and 18% means 810. Next 27% means 1215. These are the number of cars. Subtract from total vehicles to cars, we'll get the bikes also. It is 225 is the bikes for this A, and 705 is the bikes for this B, 465 is the bikes for this thing, and 105 is the bikes for this one. Now write down. Now see the first question. What is that means? Using this information, now write the first question. What is that? Find the difference between total number of bikes sold A and B together to the total number of cars sold by D. A and B together bikes. A bikes are 225. This is A, this is B, and this is C, this is D. In the same way, A and B, C and D. Okay. Now cars of D is bikes of A is 225, bikes of B is 705. Total it is 930. Total it is 930. And cars of D is 1215. So from these two difference, it is 8. From these two difference is 285. The difference is 285. This is the answer for this question. Next. This is the 72 question. The difference between total number of cars sold by sold by B and D. Cars sold by B and cars sold by D. Difference between B and D. Cars sold by B and cars sold by D. So, cars sold by B is cars sold by B 705 and cars sold by D 105. Cars sold by B is 705. First cut this. See this information. Now, what is this then? Cars sold by B and D is, the car sold by B is 15, car sold by B is 1575 and car sold by D is 1215. This difference is, how much it is means 360. It is percentage of total number of bikes sold by A. So, bikes sold by A is 225. So, in this 360, how much percentage of 225? 25 4 times 9 times 9, 40 times 44, 160 percentage is our answer for this question. Next, next question is this one. Find the ratio of total number of bikes sold by D. Bikes D and 1/5 of total number of vehicles sold by C. So, bikes sold by D is 105, 1/5 of vehicles in C, it is 1275, 5 2 times 10, 5 times 5 times. Now, 5 21 times, 5 51 times. Next 3 7 times 3 17 times. So, that the ratio is 7:17 is our answer for this question. So, next, and this also. Okay. That the total number of vehicles sold by E, is 25/19 of vehicles B. Vehicles B is 2280. No cancellation. It is 1 to 0. How much multiplication it is? 3000. If the total number of cars sold by E, cars sold by E is 100 more than 100 plus total number of cars sold by A is 900. Now it is 1000. Then bikes of E, the difference between these two, it is 2000. Next one, the total number of cars sold by B is cars of B. Cars of B is 705 bikes, that one. Cars of B is 1575. Cars of B is 1575. What percentage more or less than the more or less than this one? Means 425 by 2000. Percentage means into 100 zeros, that is 21.25 percentage. 21.25 percentage of this one. Next, the ratio of total number of electric to non-electric cars sold by B. B electric, B non-electric, that is 11 by 14 cars. The B cars is 1575 electric and non-electric cars. Total cars are how many? 25. So now 25 is 63 times. 63 times means it is electric cars of B and non-electric cars of B. The ratio of non-electric cars of B to non-electric cars of C, it is 42 by 19. So in that non-electric cars are 14 into 63, means now the multiplication it is 4 into 342, 21. 19 into 21. Find the sum of electric cars of BC together. Sum of electric cars of BC together means electric cars of B plus electric cars of C. Electric cars of B is 11 3 is 33, 66 3, 69 plus electric cars of C means total cars of C is 810. 810 minus non-electric cars, 9 ones 19 ones 19, 38 139. So total it is, how much it is total? 1104. Total it is 1104. Okay, this is the answer for this question. The average number of scooters sold by D. Average number of scooters sold by D. D scooters plus C bikes. It is 395. 395. C bikes are how many? In that 465. Average is 395 means extra 70. So it is 325. These are the scooters of D and these are the bikes of C according to their average 395. So total 395 into 2, in that the remaining are 325. Number of scooters sold by A scooters is 20% more, means it is 65. 5. 5 6s 35. 5 65 more means it is 390, more than that of D. So find the average number of scooters sold by A and number of cars sold by C. Cars sold by C is 810. So from these two average it is 600. Average is 600. Next one, approximate values. In that 249 means 250 by 50, 199 means 200 by 20 equal to x square minus 14. 50 5 times, 20 10 times, that is 50. 50 equal to x square plus 14. It is 64, means it is 8 square. The answer is 8. Answer is 8. Next question, root x into 13 approximately, it is 0.75 into 200 minus 12 by 19 into 113. So now root x into 13, 75 into 200 is 150. 2 zeros for 2 decimal points, minus 19, 6 times 12 sixes are 72. 72 means it is 78. Now 150 minus 72 is 78. So 13 6 times, root x is 6 means x is equal to 36 is the answer for this question. Next one, so in that 245 into 2 divided by 5 by 7 equal to x minus cube root of 1720. It is 490, 7 times, that is 70, 5 14 times, that is 5 14 times, and cube root of 1720 is 12. Therefore x is equal to 14 plus 12, 26 is the answer for this question. So next, in this 8 cube is 512 plus 108 plus x equal to 50 percentage, 50 by 100 into 2400, 2 times 2, 1200. Now it is 520, x is equal to 1200 minus 520, 520 equal to 580. The answer is 580. Next one, root 195 is 14 and 1 by 7 plus 35 by 100 into 600, 100 zeros, 7 2 times, 2 plus 180 plus 30, 180 plus 30 is 210. So total is 212. This is the answer for this question. So next question, the volume of cylinder means 22 by 7 by r square, 7 into 7, height is 10 by r square h, and cuboid LBH, they want L and they given B is 8, H is 7, height is and breadth 7 8 equal to 11 by 4 is the ratio. So 7 7 cancel, 7 7 cancel, 4 2 times, 2 11 times, 11 11 cancel, means length equal to 10 in centimeters, length equal to 10 in centimeters, 10 in centimeters. Next question, from this first you have to calculate the total accounts, active accounts, inactive and deleted accounts. In that inactive and deleted accounts, in that total account, first subtract the active accounts. After that, remaining accounts are divided into these ratios, inactive and delete. Like that, the value of this one is 600, inactive accounts and deleted accounts are 480, and the same way it is 540 and it is 360. In the same way this is also 420 and this is 360. Now answer the questions carefully. What is the answer for first question? Means find the difference between total number of deleted accounts on Snap and deleted accounts on Snap lo in that Snap deleted are 360, in that Snap deleted are 360, and total number of inactive accounts in chart zone lo, in that chart zone inactive accounts, chart zone inactive means 540, and these difference how much it is? This difference is 180. So this is the answer for this question. The total number of inactive instabuds is inactive inactive is 600. What percentage more or less than total number of deleted on chart zone? On chart zone the deleted are 360. What percentage more means? 240 more by 360 into 100, 122 times 123 times 3, 33.33 into 2 is 66.67% is the answer for this question. In the same way, next find the average number of deleted accounts on all the three platforms. The deleted accounts are 480 plus 360 plus 360. In that the average it is 360, this is also 360 plus extra 120 is there. This extra 120 is distributed equally by 3 because 3 accounts means it is 400. The average of all the 3 is 400. 340 times 360 plus 40 it is 400. Next question is find the ratio of total number of inactive accounts on Insta, Buzz and Snap all together to total number of accounts on chart zone. Inactive accounts of Insta are 600 plus inactive accounts of Snap World it is 420 divided by total accounts of chart, this is 1500. 1020 by 1500, 00 cancel, 6 one time, 6 sevens 42, 6 2 times 20, 17 is to 25 is the answer for this question. Next question. What is the question means? The total number of active accounts on ClickBuzz. Active accounts on ClickBuzz. This is a new platform. ClickBuzz is 25% more than active accounts on short zone. What is the active accounts on short zone means? Active accounts are 600. In that 600, 25% more means 1/4 of that one is 150 more. It is 750. It is 750. Next, the number of deleted accounts in CRBCC is 1/6 of deleted accounts in Insta. What are the Insta deleted accounts? How many? Means 480. In that 480, 1/6 means 80. 6 8s are 48. So deleted accounts on CRBCC are 80. If total accounts on CRBCC, they given in the question 1130. So from these three, active, deleted, total, there means inactive of CRBCC is inactive of CRBCC. How many means? 750 plus 80, 830 1130 minus 830, 300 are inactive accounts of CRBCC. Find the total number of inactive accounts of Snap World and CRBCC together. Snap World. In that Snap World, inactive accounts are 420. These two sum, how much it is? 720 is our answer for this question. 720 is our answer for this question. Next page. In that next, total number of active accounts in InstaBuzz and Snap World together. InstaBuzz and Snap World together, active accounts. InstaBuzz 720, SnapBuzz 520. Total is how much it is? 1240. Next one, together how many more or less than total number of inactive accounts on short zone and 1/3 of total accounts of InstaBuzz. So it is inactive on chart. Inactive on chart is 540 plus 1/3 of total of Insta 1800. This is 600. So total is 1140. So in these, how many more means? 100 more. In these two, the more number is 100. The more number is 100. Next one, XYZ can complete a work individually in X is 15 days, Y is 25 days, Z is 12 days. So LCM of these three is 300, 15 20 times, 25 12 times, 12 25 times. Y and Z start the work, Y plus Z start the work, and after 5 days, in these 5 days, Y plus Z means 12 plus 25, per day work is 37. 5 days means 150 plus 35, 185 work are completed. After that, X, they were replaced by X. The remaining work is 115. It is done by X. Per day work of X is 20, means 115 completed by X means 5 times 100, 0.5 times 100, sorry, 100, 150 means 7 times. Next one is 100, 7.5. It is the X completed value. This one is equal to 5.75 equal to D plus 0.75. Therefore, D is equal to 5. They want the value of D cube. That is 5 cube 125 is our answer for this question. 125 is our answer for the average salary of 40 employees. 40 employees average salary is 30,000. Due to data entry error, 2 salaries were recorded. 32,000, 29,000. These are the error values. Instead of correct values, that is 30,000 and 28,000, means error is at this place and at this place 2,000 is error and at this place 1,000 is error. Total error is 3,000 by 40 members. It is 75. Find the increasing error, increasing value, use the increasing error, that is 75. Increasing error is 75. Next one. In a business, P invested 3,600, P received 3,600 as a is profit share out of total profit of 6,000, means remaining profit 2,400 for Q. This is the shares of profits. 12 3 times, 12 2 times, the ratio of these two. P had invested 2,500 more than Q. If P it is X plus 2,400 for 6 months only. Q invested 12 months, entire year. Find the amount received. 6 1 times 6, 2 times 2, 2 cancel 1 time. Cross multiplication, it is 3x equal to x plus 2,500. So, minus 2x, 2 is cancelled, 1250. X value is 1250, but find the amount invested by P means x plus 2,500. X means 1250 plus 2,500. 1250 x plus 2,500 is the investment of P. It is 3,750 is the investment of P. Investment of P. So, next question. The speed of bike 10 km per hour less than speed of bus, means bus speed minus bike speed equal to 10 km per hour. The distance between them is 450 km and they are moving towards each other, means the speed of bus plus bike equal to velocity equal to distance by time is 5, it is 90 km per hour. From these two, subtract from this to this, you can get a bike 2 bike equal to 80 km per hour. 2 cancel, so speed of bike is 40 km per hour. Speed of bike is 40 km per hour. Next question. A trader marks an item 60% above the cost price. If cost price is 100, marked price is 160 and gives 25% discount, means selling price is 120 on marked price, and allowed only 15% discount. If it is 15% discount, it is 136. So, would have earned more and profit 90 more in that 60 in more. 16 is converted into 90, means 16 5s are 80, 16 6 are 96, and after that 40, 16 2s are 38, means 16 5s are 80. They want find the cost price of article, means it is also multiplied with 5.625. The answer is 562.5. It is equal to 90. So, it is equal to 562.5. This is the answer for this question. A person invested 6,000. It is x plus y. Scheme x plus y. Invested x, invested y. For example, in that offer 10% per 2 years. In the 12% for 3 years. So, PTR by 100, PTR by 100, 20x plus 36y equal to 1860 into 100 by 100 goes that side means into 100. After cancellation of 4, it is 5x plus 9y equal to 4 times 16, 4 6 times 24, 4 5 times into 100 is this one. This is 5x plus 9y equal to 46,500, but they want y value, means equate x and cancel this. In that multiply x by 5 it is. After this subtract from this to this, you can get 4y. 5x cancel, 9y minus 5y is 4y equal to 46,500 minus 30,000 is 16,500. Cancellation, 4 4 jar, 4 1 jar, 4 2 jar, 4 5 jar. This is the E. This is the scheme of y value. This is the scheme of y value. Okay, in that question, train A runs at 60 km per hour and crosses a platform of length, means length of train A plus platform length, distance by time equal to velocity. It is meter per second, this is kilometer per hour. So now convert this one into 5 by 18, 18 2 times. So length of train A plus 300 equal to 300 into 2, 600, means length of train A is 300. Now train B, find the time taken, time equal to distance by velocity. In train B, which is twice long as train A, train A is 300, train B is 600, twice long, and running in opposite direction, means addition of train A speed and train B speed. It is kilometer per hour. Now this one is converted into 5 by 18. 18 is 6 times. 5 6s are 30. 900 by 30. It is the time for this one. 0 0 3 30 times. This is the answer for this question. This is the answer for this question. Next question. So in this case, let information A and B are two students preparing for competitive exam. This is the A. This is the B. Student A studied for 12 hours. A studied 12 hours. Student B studied for duration of, that is at least 50% but less than 75% of A study. 50% means greater than 6 hours. At least 50%. And less than 75% means less than 9 hours. It is the B study scope value. A spend 25% of his study time on practical work. For practical work, 25% means 1 by 4, that is 3 hours. 1 hour on theory, 1 hour, and divide the remaining is 8 hours equally between mock test and revision. Mock test is 4 hours, revision is 4 hours, because remaining 8 hours is divided equally, means 4 4. In the same way, next they given what? Student B spend on 2 hours on mock test. For mock test 2 hours, and revision, for revision 3 hours, and twice the amount of time A spent on theory for his own theory studies. Theory, twice the amount of study A, that is 2 hours. Next one, and A spent on theory, B dedicates 12.5% of his time on practical work. 12.5% means, so it is 12.5%, 12.5% by remaining is 87.5%. Total hours are 7. So this is 1 hour dedicated on practical. Means total B time is 3 plus 2 plus 5 plus 2 plus 7 plus 1, 8 hours. So total B time is 8 hours. So, hours spent by A, B on theory, mock test, revision and practical is an integer values. Okay. So, first question. What is the ratio of student A time spent on mock test? A time spent on mock test. 2. B time spent on theory. A time spent on mock test is 4. B time spent on theory is 2. The ratio is 2:1. The ratio is 2:1. That student A time spent on practical work. A time spent on practical work is 3 hours. Is what percentage of total time study time of B? B total practical work for A is 3 hours. B total is 8. How much percentage? 8, 12.5. 3 into 12.5, 37.5 percentage. 3 into 12.5 is 37.5 percentage. Last question in this data case, what is the difference in hours between time spent on practical work by B practical work and A revision difference? B practical work is difference it is. B practical work is 1 hour. A revision work is 4 hours. Difference is 3 hours. Difference is 3 hours. Okay. Next question. A boat travels 150 km downstream in 5 hours. Means boat plus water, that is downstream 150 by 5, 30 km per hour. Returns back means upstream, boat minus water, same distance 150 in 6 hours, it is 25. So, speed of the boat is what percentage of speed of the stream is what percentage of, this is speed of the boat and this is speed of the stream. So, speed of the boat means both addition to speed of boat, whatever it may be, speed of boat is 55 by 2, one speed of boat. Water subtraction, it is 5 by 2. If these two are addition, you will get the boat speed. If these two are subtraction, you will get the water speed. Now, water speed is 5 by 2 is what percentage of 55 by 2 into 100. 2 cancel, 5 11 times 11 9s 99.09 percentage. 9.09 percentage. Last question. The ratio of red paint to yellow paint is red to yellow in a 200 liter mixer is 3:2 means 5 pots are 40, it is 120 and 80. In that 50 liters mixer means 30 20 30 20 removed and y liters of yellow added. So new ratio is 6/7. 90 into 7 is 630 equal to 60 into 6 is 360 plus 6y. After subtraction it is 276. 4 times 5 times equal to y. The value of y is 45. Thank you.